from where you will get your syllabus for paper 2. So it's the website UGC NET online.in. So as soon as you go this homepage, University Grant Commission, National Educational Testing Bureau, NET. So here you will get one tab, it's syllabus. Click on the tab and here you will get all 86 subject wise syllabus. Paper 1, that is general paper on teaching and research aptitude, it is compulsory for all, and the remaining 85 subjects are for paper 2. Choose as per your post graduation subject. Okay, remember one thing, your paper 2 is your academic identity. It represents your specialization and will stay with you throughout your teaching and research career. So take time, think carefully and choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who are appearing for UGC NET. If you have any doubt, just drop a question in the comment section below and I will try to reply or make a separate video on it. Thank you for watching. All the best for your UGC NET journey.